Hello friends, it's time for today's daily Cipher game, and it is going to be something very simple. I trust you're going to be able to do it just as quick as possible. So let's get the first first let's activate our game board by tapping N per tap 3 times. 1 2 3. Okay, so the game board is active now. Let's go for the first code: long, short. Okay, so let's go for the first code: long, short. Then the second one, short, and then the third one, short, long, short. Yes, the last but not the least, short. That is the right. So you can claim your. Don't forget to return tomorrow for another action. Thank you.